This is the trade that I took today for a long. We had news at 8:30, so I definitely wanted to make sure I was out of my trade before 8:30 because that volatility will hit the buy side as well as the sell side liquidity in one candle. Sometimes it's even in 1 minute, and I just prefer not to trade the news. It's just way too risky. So I did get into this long position. I saw that there were two 15-minute fair value gaps that are highlighted here in the yellow. I was paying attention to time because I figured, okay, with the way price action works, it was going to wait until 8:30 to get close to my target. I sat in this trade for quite a while. I was a bit nervous, had lots of emotions, was looking to exit, but I had conviction. I said, I'm just going to stay in as long as I can, but for sure you have to be out before 8:30. And I did end up exiting a little bit early just because by 8:30 we had not hit the full target. So I did exit maybe 1 point early. And once we did hit 8:30, you see that big red candle. And I will show you that. So it definitely played out how I thought it was. The reason that I got into this trade is because I did see that price did not want to go lower. And my hypothesis was that we were going to take out this first level of liquidity and fill these 15-minute gaps to the upside at 8:30 and then go down and probably tap the previous day high. So that was my initial thought when I was looking at the chart. So here is the execution for the trade that I took. You see that big red candle exactly at 8:30, and it ended up actually going down to the previous day's low. I am going to switch to the day chart so you can see where it comes down and fills that gap from the previous day's high. It's pretty interesting how price action works if you are paying attention to it. So here I'm just going to draw out that line so you can see, and it helps with your analysis when you're able to identify where you think price is going to go. And it helps me with my confidence when price actually does go there. So here's that big red candle at 8:30 again. I did make my daily profit of $1,000, 10 before 10.